Welcome TechBrothersIT. In this video, we are going to learn how to mount Azure Data Factory to the Fabric. So Azure Data Factory in Microsoft Fabric allows you to mount existing Azure Data Factory instances directly into the Fabric, enabling a centralized monitoring and management tool of all your pipelines within a single data integration platform. This helps streaming ETL or ELT operations and improves the visibility across hybrid data workflows. So here, if I go to the portal.azure.com and then I go to my resources group, and once they open, I'm gonna show you. I have a couple of resources groups here, and one of them is okay. Let me see. This is already open, so that's the research group right there, and then I have Azure Data Factory right here. So it's called TBADF, and I can launch the studio, and then I should be able to see the pipelines and everything. Now this Azure Data Factory is available for me in Azure portal, and it has 4 pipelines. What my goal is here to bring this Azure Data Factory here in the Fabric, so I can work when I'm in the Fabric environment. So I can go to workspace here and then go to new item, and then here I can look for the factory, and here I have that tab available. So Azure Data Factory is in preview. Mount an Azure Data Factory in Fabric to monitor all your pipelines in one data integration platform. Let's click right there, and as I have the permission on this subscription for my account that I'm using right here, so I can see the list of those Azure Data Factories. So here is a TBADF. I am just gonna go ahead and select that, and now it is mounting that. So it has mounted successfully. I can go and click view Azure Data Factory here, and then you are gonna see your Azure Data Factory with the pipelines and everything. So here you can see that, and the very first thing you have right here, you have unmount. So if you don't like it here, you're fine. You can just simply unmount, or if you want to monitor in Azure Data Factory portal, so you can go right there, and it will look open.azure adf.azure.com and show you the old way where we use the Azure Data Factory in the portal. In the Fabric, you can go to the pipelines, and you have pipeline, data sets, data flows, and everything here. So let's say if I would like to create see right here I have in app.fabric.microsoft.com. So if I want to create a pipeline in Azure Data Factory, here I can do that as well. So I can go right here, new pipeline, and then I can name this one from Fabric. So inside the Fabric, I'm creating this pipeline. I can go to the add activities here, and let's say I will add just wait activity here for now, and then once it's all done, I can validate and hit close and debug, run. If I want to run it, it's gonna run it just fine here. Okay, pipeline is completed successfully, and now finally we can publish all, and here it is asking me, hey, you want to publish this pipeline? Yes, I want to do that, and that's is going to publish in a second. Now what we can do here, we can go back to our Azure Data Factory in the adf.azure.com, and here my pipelines are. So now if you will just expand that one, and let's refresh a little bit. So once we refresh, we are going to see that newly created pipeline here as well in the Azure Data Factory. See right there, and this has a wait activity. In the Fabric, the same pipeline is available as well. So if you don't have to open this Azure portal and go to adf.azure.com. You can mount inside the Fabric and work on your ADF that you have created already. So you can have pipelines and everything, and whatever the triggers you want to add or view activity. So everything is pretty much available for you to take a look from there. So once you are done, if you're not interested to see your Azure Data Factory in the Fabric, you can simply unmount, and that will unmount it. If you go to the your workspace and take a look, this is how it will look like. So you will see it is going to be something like that. So you're going to see this Azure Data Factory, this icon is right there, and you have right there, you can click right there, and it give you option to open. If you click, it is going to open inside the Fabric the way it is already open right here. If you want to unmount, you can unmount as well. So in our case, let's go ahead and unmount, and now once you unmount, it's not available anymore in the fabric, but it will stay as is. All the pipelines and everything that will stay as you have the ADF created in Azure. I thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in next video.